Dito, no? Itong si Mayor Alice Guo, nagiging modus kasi ng mga Chinese ngayon na kumukuha ng Filipino citizenship, no, doon sa sinasabing late registration. Hahanap sila ng local civil register, karamihan dito ay sa probinsya, magpapa-issue ho sila ng certification that they were born in that barangay, ganitong date. At ang magtataka tayo dahil puro lahat sila late registration. Lahat po sila pinanganak sa Comadrona. Wala hong pinanganak na ospital dyan.
Si Mayor Alice Guo po recently said categorically, she refuted na isa siyang spy or asset po ng China. And on top of that, she said na she is Filipino and mahal po niya ang ating bansang Pilipinas. Do you find her statements believable or credible po?
Well, I find her statements not credible. No? Madali naman po magsabi na mahal mo yung sarili mong bansa eh. But the matter is, what she's claiming is contrary to what is appearing in the documents. May mga records po na nakalagay doon, yung citizenship niya is Chinese. No? And of course, the surrounding circumstances that there was a late registration of her birth. And of course, dubious din, no? Yung kanyang pagkaupo bilang mayor ng Bamban Tarlac. So I guess the Office of the Solicitor General is in the right track, wherein I guess they're planning and studying to file a quo warranto procedure, no, wherein to question the legitimacy of her being a mayor, no, because the quo warranto basically is by what authority does the person is occupying the seat. So, titignan ho natin yung aspeto ng kanyang citizenship and of course, yung involvement niya rin dito sa illegal na operasyon ng POGO sa kanya pong lugar. So, I guess it's not credible and I would say it's dubious, no? Yung kanya pong mga statements.
Dito, no? Itong si Mayor Alice Guo has been identified to be an associate of two Chinamen, no, na nahuli sa Singapore for money laundering. So malaking issue yun. So dapat talagang masilip dahil unang-una yung nagiging modus kasi ng mga Chinese ngayon na kumukuha ng Filipino citizenship, no, doon sa sinasabing late registration. Hahanap sila ng local civil register, karamihan dito ay sa probinsya, magpapa-issue ho sila ng certification that they were born in that barangay, ganitong date, at ang magtataka tayo dahil puro lahat sila late registration. Lahat po sila pinanganak sa Comadrona. Wala hong pinanganak na ospital dyan. So again, no, that's an alarming information that we should all look into. Marami na hong issue tungkol sa fake Filipino passports na nai-issue dito sa mga ito. Not fake, no? Authentic, original Filipino passports, pero spurious and dubious yung mga supporting documents that they submitted. Lalong-lalo na yung birth certificate. Lahat po yan, pinanganak, Comadrona, lahat po yan sa probinsya, lahat po yan ay late registration. So again, no, that's a cause for alarm. That's why dun sa investigation ni Congressman Paduano, isa yun sa usapin na sinisilip po natin.
Thank you po.